Hey guys, I am Kimbo and I blog at agirlandagluegun.com. I'm hanging out in my craft room and I decided to tackle a question that I get asked all the time, which is, can you remove heat transfer vinyl from something that you've ironed it onto? And guess what? I've actually never done it. So I thought today was a perfect day to try it out. I purchased a letter removing solvent off of Amazon. I will link it down below. And I have my daughter's old, she used it for a wax museum. She was Mia Hamm. She's never worn it again, so I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to try to get this vinyl off. So wish me luck, fingers crossed, let's try it out. Alright guys, I am outside because it says to do it in a well-ventilated area. I'm going to turn it inside out. And I'm going to just try for this 9 really quickly while I'm out here. I've unscrewed this, I've punctured that, and then you're just supposed to saturate the back side. You can see that the number's really popping as it's hitting it. It smells like nail polish remover, which I enjoy, so there's that. And then you're supposed to stretch out the fabric to help release it. This isn't super stretchy material, but if you can see, as I'm stretching, it is releasing a little bit, like you can see it. Let's see if I can get it close enough. You see how it's releasing right there? I think as it's sitting on there longer, it's getting a little bit easier to release it. You see? You can almost pull it all the way up. So yeah, I'm gonna say that this works pretty darn good. So if you've made a mistake where you've like made a cute design and then spelled the name wrong or something, I think if you're very careful with maybe like a Q-tip, or I mean it's a pretty tiny little hole that it comes out of. So you could very carefully just try to put it on just the mistake and pull it up. Look at that. Really easy. All right, I'm gonna give it a gag stamp of approval. That was pretty awesome. Way, way easy. It says you can rub off, I can see where that 9 was. I don't know if it's because it's pulled up the fabric or if it's left a little bit of the residue. And it says you can just try to rub it off. So I'm gonna rub it a little bit, and I'm gonna run it through my washer and see if I can get all of it off. I don't know if it's because it's white on white that it might be hard to tell. So if you're doing this, pulling vinyl off of maybe a black shirt and you've got white residue, it's a little bit easier to see, but this one's not so bad. Very cool.